Hello everyone, in this video I am just going to tell you how we can connect and configure the Node MCU in soft access point mode. Let's get started. So from the modes of Wi-Fi configuration lecture, I explained you about the various modes of Wi-Fi networks using which this ESP8266 can be configured. So in the previous lecture, we configured and used the station mode, and most oftenly in almost all the lectures, we will be using this ESP8266 in station mode. And for now, you just want to get to know that there is another method called soft access point mode in ESP8266, and using this mode you can dynamically connect this node MCU to any Wi-Fi access point. So for your clarity, I am just doing this lecture. What we are going to do is, initially you just want to add a library called Wi-Fi manager to this Arduino IDE. So I have provided this files in the download button below the video. So this is the file. So this will be in a zip format. You just want to download this file by clicking on the download button below this video. And if you are watching this video on the YouTube, you just want to enter my website smtrainingacademy.com and register for free, and then enroll for the particular course. And under each lecture video you will find a download button using which you can download the resource for that particular lecture. So download that and store it in your PC, and after that click on the sketch and go to include library and click on add zip library. Here go to the respective location and select this Wi-Fi manager master and click on open. Since I have already added, I don't want to add this anymore. I will just click on cancel. You just click on this open, then the library will be added. So now as usual I am just going to add the as include of ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h, and then you just want to add two more header files for configuring this node MCU in soft access point mode. So that is nothing but has include of DNS server.h and has include of Wi-Fi manager.h. So these three are the required header files for configuring this node MCU in soft access point mode, and then you just want to create an object for this Wi-Fi manager library. And here you can see I have created a object for this Wi-Fi manager library called as Wi-Fi. So using this object you can access all the library methods of Wi-Fi manager. And initially coming inside the void setup, I am just going to initialize the serial monitor with a certain baud rate of 1,15,200 as usual. And suddenly after this I am just going to start the connection between the node MCU and the Wi-Fi router with a method called Wi-Fi.AutoConnect. So this is the object that I called. Here you can see this is the Wi-Fi object that we created. So using that object I am just calling a method or a function called AutoConnect, and this AutoConnect will receive one parameter which is the SSID of the access point. So here I am just giving SM Academy, and once it is done I am just going to println of connected to SM Academy. And that's all about the program. It is a much simpler program than before, which we did for station mode configuration. All the things are done by this AutoConnect function itself. So what it does is that it will try to connect it to the network called SM Academy, and if it is not available, if no access point is available in the name of SM Academy, it will create an Wi-Fi hotspot, and by connecting our device like laptop or mobile phone to this hotspot, you can configure the required SSID and password for connecting this ESP8266 to the access point required or a Wi-Fi router required. So let's demonstrate that. So as I said, this is the soft access point, right? So initially what happens is this ESP8266 node MCU will be configured in soft access point mode, and it will create a hotspot, and we will be connecting our mobile phone or laptop to that hotspot, and using the IP address we will provide the credentials required for connection between the node MCU and other required access point or a Wi-Fi router. And once the credentials are given to the hotspot that is established by this ESP8266 node MCU, then the mode of the ESP8266 node MCU will be changed from soft access point to the station mode, and then it will be connecting it to the required access point given in the credentials section. So let's try to establish that, then you will understand clearly. So I am just going to upload the sketch to the node MCU. I'm just opening the serial monitor. You can see, as I said, this is trying to auto connect to the SM Academy SSID, and since that is not available, this has created a hotspot with the IP address of 192.168.4.1. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to connect to that hotspot named SM Academy in my laptop. So this is the hotspot created by the ESP8266 node MCU. I'm just connecting to it. So connection has been made. Now you can see when I paste the IP address on the browser, you can see this page will be opened, and using this button you can configure the connection between this node MCU and other access point. So click on this, and here give the access point SSID and then the password, and that's it. Then click on save. And now you can see in my serial terminal the connection to access point success has been given, and the IP address has been assigned by the Wi-Fi router to this node MCU, that is 192.168.0.3. So when I click on this save, the mode of the node MCU will be also changed from the soft access point to the station mode, that is given over here. You can see the Wi-Fi mode has been changed to station, but here it was not station, it is enabling the access point mode. So using this method and program, you can try to connect your node MCU dynamically to any Wi-Fi network. So this is known as soft access point mode of node MCU, and see you in the next lecture. Thanks for watching.